mensaje de las maestras.
Hola amigos, I just wanted to send you a little message to say que me hacen mucha falta. I'm missing you. I'm missing our time together. I am so proud of everyone for hopefully staying home, lavándose las manos mucho, poniéndose la máscara, cuidándose mucho con sus familias. This is something that's not only new for you, it's also new for your grown-ups, it's new for me. I am at home all the time now too. So I hope you guys are helping create ideas and working as a team with your family on how to make this experience a fun one. I know it's very different and I know it can get hard, but if you work together with the people in your life, you guys can make it a better one. So I just wanted to say that I miss you, that I'm so proud for how strong and safe you're being.
Hola, yo soy maestra Laura de Mariposas Spanish School for Kids. Primero, extraño a mis estudiantes. First, I just want to let you know that I miss all my students. And I look forward to the day we are all able to be safely together again so that your light can shine. Recuerda ser amable. Remember to be kind. Y ojalá que nos vemos pronto. And hopefully we see each other soon. Abrazos.
Hola, yo soy maestra Yvette de Mariposas Spanish School y estoy aquí para darles un mensaje a todos los niños del mundo. I'm here to give a message to all the kids of the world. Tú eres importante. You are important. Y tú eres único. And you are unique. Y tú puedes hacer una diferencia en el mundo. You can make a difference in the world. Solo tienes que hacer lo que tú amas. Just do what you love y sé amable. Be kind. Adiós. Nos vemos pronto.
Tu sonrisa se entiende en todos los idiomas. ¡Feliz Día del Niño! ¡Adiós!
Juntos podemos hacer mucho.